You're tired, but it's not just because you didn't sleep. You rest, you take breaks, but somehow you're still exhausted. That's because the real weight isn't physical. It's mental, it's emotional, it's spiritual, and your body is trying to tell you something. You're tired because you've been carrying too much for too long. Other people's expectations, silent pressure, your own thoughts running on a loop. You're not weak. You're not lazy. You're overloaded. Take a breath. Let that land. We think exhaustion only comes from what we do, but most of it comes from what we hold in, what we suppress, what we constantly manage behind the scenes. It's the fear you pretend doesn't exist, the roles you feel forced to play, the mask you wear when you don't feel okay. It's heavy, and no one sees it, but you carry it every single day. This is what no one tells you. Mental fatigue feels like failure, but it's not. It's a sign you've been fighting battles in silence and surviving them quietly. Let's talk about nervous system fatigue. When you live in a constant state of alert, your body forgets how to rest. Even when you sleep, you scroll for distraction. You multitask for control. You never let your mind go still, because stillness feels unsafe. That's not rest. That's survival mode, and your nervous system has been stuck in it. Here's how you know. You wake up tired no matter how many hours you sleep. You can't focus even on things you care about. You feel numb, unmotivated, or easily overwhelmed. You keep saying, "I'm fine," when you're clearly not. Sound familiar? That's not a personal flaw. It's chronic overdrive, and you can reset it. Let's start now, together. Here's your 3-step rebuild routine. Step 1, get out of your head and into your body. Do something grounding every day, even for 5 minutes. Walk, stretch, touch something cold. Reconnect your senses to the present. Step 2, schedule real stillness. Not scrolling, not multitasking. Stillness. 1 hour a day where you don't consume, you just exist. This tells your nervous system, you're safe now. Step 3, speak safety into yourself. Your body listens to your words. Say this out loud: I am safe. I am not behind. I do not need to earn rest. I am allowed to pause. Now, let's breathe together. Inhale deeply. Hold it. Exhale slowly. And again, you don't have to hold everything. You're not meant to. Let yourself lay it down, even for a moment. Repeat after me: I am not my stress. I am not my output. I am enough, even when I'm still. I choose rest. I trust myself to heal. This isn't about being productive. It's about coming home to yourself. Come back to this video when the weight feels like too much. Let it remind your mind and body. You're safe now. You're doing enough.